Happening YouTube, we did something very special the other day. Tony, and also Dan from Sadboy. He came up from Birmingham, and we did something very special. And there's no other way of saying this, is it, Tony? We made our childhood dreams come true. Basically, the story is, yeah, for my 10th birthday, mon papa, me dad, bought me Need for Speed Underground, the first one, on the PS2. And then me and my cousin did literally an all nighter just playing this game, and it's one of the best memories I've ever had of a game ever. And ever since then I wanted neons on my car. So I fucking put neons on my car. Look at this. Oh my god. Tony, what did you do? He put neons on his car. Holy Santa Claus shit. So yeah, we threw a neon party last Sunday, a few days ago now. I tried to do a video, but it just went to shit. I'll be honest, it just went to shit. So Dan came all the way from Birmingham to what are you laughing at me for? Dan came all the way up from Birmingham to have this neon party. So all three of us fit neons. And the plan for the video were going to be sick, but these neons were arseholes to fit, yeah? The wire that came on them, what would you even call it? Like a dog hair, bro. It was so thin. So that was the first hurdle. I couldn't get them to stick to the underside of the car, so that took way too long. Tony, you had problems. You had problems with your battery, didn't you? He had some shit going on with his battery. It was just a nightmare. We had so much more planned for a sick video. It just went to shit. So yeah, I did do some filming when we had the neon party. And it were a sick day, weren't it, to be fair? It were quite stressful. There were a bit of stress involved, but it were sick. So I'll just cut some footage now of if I got any footage. I honestly don't even know. I didn't even look through it, I just wrote it off. But I'll cut to some of that now. And this is what happened then. I am very excited today, and there's a few reasons why I'm very excited. Number one, we're at Tony's doing car stuff, yeah? Number two, Dan from Sadboy has made the 3-hour trip from Birmingham. Number three, we're having a neon party. I do not know how to fit these, I do not know how to wire them up. We're just sort of winging it.
She's a bit Japanese.
So we've all got different approaches to fitting these neons, yeah? My approach is, my battery's in the boot, so I'm just gonna wire them all up out of the car with the fuse and my switch. All out of the car, just so I can get my head around it and I know how it works. And then I can take it all apart and then wire it through the car. Dan's got slightly a different approach. What's your approach, Dan?
Just sling him on, really. Plug him in, see what happens.
Just sling him in.
Sling him in.
Sling him in. He came for neons, he's getting neons. Tony, what's your approach?
Wire.
Yep. I'm not a fan of wiring. But it should be, it's not complicated. I should be alright. So I've sort of test wired them up. For now we've just gone straight from the battery. Just, it looks minging, but it's not going to stay like this. Inline fuse. And that's pretty much it. So now I've done that, and I know that they work. I'm going to have to think of a way to get this switch into the cabin, whilst also finding a way to get the neons through the car to mount them underneath. This is why wiring hurts my head. My boot is now completely stripped out, but I have found somewhere to run these neons. Right, these little flappy fuckers. That goes through the body to behind the bumper. I can definitely get the wires through there, so that's where I'm going. Through there, out the bottom. I've wired it up to the best of my ability. There's no more fucking insulation tape. It's all crimped, and I have my switch. Happy with that. Wiring's done. It's probably been a good 2 hours since I last did any filming, but all the wiring's done. I've got the switch. Look at this. What is? Bam. So all that's left to do now is get the car in here and actually stick them to underneath. It's been hours since I last filmed though. They've been a nightmare. My hands are full of tiger seal. That's never coming off. We've had to extend one of them because it weren't long enough. What other issues? Wires, that's an issue in itself. So only you had issues, what were your issues? Don't want to talk about it. How did yours go? We're all broken. We're all broken. That's all we got at the neon party. But as sick as they are, yeah, because it was so stressful, by the end of it, we just wanted to throw them on, really, didn't we? To be honest, yeah. We just needed to get them on. So my front neon, because I have neons. So my front neon. What Vaz did, I drilled loads of. These are actually race car holes that we drilled. Yeah. Definitely not just something to tie my knee onto. It's going to be difficult for you to see. There's cable tie there, yeah. And we use the race car holes to cable tie the knee onto. The neon's facing backwards, so there's not a very good glow at the front. So what I'm going to do today, what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to put the car in the air, and I'm just going to change that so that we get a nice good glow like the sides and the back. The back looks mint. Love the back. Love it. Look at that. Cheers. 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 And I'm going to make some little brackets so that the neon is actually pointing down to the floor so we get a better glow from the front. That's mission number 1. They're my colours. Yo, you like my coloured car chassis lamps? Dude.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, now you trying to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, you were never about the squad. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like, why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way. Flow is mean, but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seemed right. It's my fucking team, like.
Can you send her down for me, Kate? Shall we look at this? Oh, that's much better, that. Look at that. Much better. That's well better, isn't it?
Job well done.
Yeah, well done, Tony. You all knows. Yeah, fuck yeah. See, after we tried doing the first video on Sunday, I was feeling really shit about these neons and they came really close to fucking getting ripped off because one of them were fucking hanging down and everything. I was just like, nah, they just write the day off, get rid of the neons, maybe install them another day, I don't know. But now that front one's adjusted and the one that was falling off is well and truly stuck, I feel a lot better about them. And now I'm finally doing a video for them as well. Hopefully this one will turn to shit. Moving on. Mad. So when Dan came up, he brought us a little Sadboiraceclub care package. If you don't know who Sadboiraceclub is by now, then you're slacking. I'll leave the link down in the description. He's just brought us a lot of good stuff. So we've got a sun strip here that I'm going to try and fit to my car. I've never fitted a sun strip before, so it could go horrendously wrong. We've also got two big black sad boy stickers and a white one as well. So Dan, if you're watching, cheers bud. Fucking zoom on this camera, so fucking shit. I'm gonna have to do it getting this sun strip on. I'm not gonna be able to see a thing out my windscreen, it's gonna be hilarious. Nice one, Tony. Cheers. I've messaged Dan on some advice for this sun strip because he's a bit of a sun strip veteran. And the advice he gave me was wet. Very wet. So I need to get myself some wet. Get it wet, put it on, move it about till you're happy, squeegee it water out, cut the edges, and then wire some neons into it. Easy done that. Also have Act a Fool playing on loop. That's enough, Ludacris, that's enough, that's enough.
Rapping 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay. Ole, why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no, no. Now you trying to get involved, no, no. You don't need to get involved, no. Why you trying to get involved, no, no. You were never about the squad, no, no.
Wait! Hey, shut up! Damn it! Wait till you see this. I am genuinely impressed. I'm impressed with a lot of stuff I do myself recently. How good's that? Looks pretty good. Visibility from inside the car are maybe a bit limited now. That's it. But I don't care because it looks fucking sick. And it went on a lot easier than I thought it did. What you reckon, Tony? Do you like it?
It's nice as that.
Isn't it? It's a nice one, isn't it? Yeah. What are you gonna do, Tony? You goddamn right you are, you son of a bitch. Tony's had a bit of a repositioning of his neons as well tonight. Like I said, on that Sunday it just got a bit grim, didn't it, after a while? Look at that. Just a good whip. Just a couple good whips. Oh God. Oh damn. Mad. So I hope this video turns out better than the first attempt that I tried to do with these neons. It should do. I feel a lot better today about it. So it should be okay. On another note, I am trying to hit 100 subs before Christmas. So just make a guy's Christmas wish come true and just press that subscribe button. What better Christmas gift is there than a free one? So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. I mean, I don't know how you can't enjoy it. We've got neons everywhere. Just neons on neons. And I'll see you on the next one. Sound! Tony? Shout sound.
Bye.
Shout sound.
Hello.
See you.